Okay, so it's multiply two decimals with JavaScript. In JavaScript, you can also perform calculations with decimal numbers just like whole numbers. Let's multiply two decimals together to get their product. Change the 0.0 so that the product will equal 5.0. So change 0, okay. So var product, the 2. What do you times by 2 to give you 5? Is that what it's saying? 2 times 2 equals 4. Is that what it's saying? Change 0.0 equal 5. I'm sure that's what it's saying. It's saying what is, yeah. So you can do, what can you do? So you basically do 2 times 2.5, and that should give you 5. Yes. 2. Yeah, that should give you 5. Okay. It's like I've started all over again. Anyway. Complete.